Today, our group will be reporting about the National Capital Region or NCR and in how its culture, history, and identity are reflected in the work of its notable authors. NCR is the center of government, education, culture, and economy in the Philippines. Because of this, many literary works from NCR focus on urban life, social issues, political struggles, colonial influence. In the daily experiences of people living in Metro Manila, now let's introduce the most influential authors from NCR. First, Nick Joaquin. Our first author is Nick Joaquin, a national artist for literature. He is known for his works that explore Manila's history, Spanish colonial influence, and Filipino identity. His major work included The Woman Who Had Two Novels, My Day Eve, A Portrait of the Artist as Filipino. Reflection of NCR. Nick Joaquin shows us how old Manila, especially during and after Spanish rule, shaped Filipino culture. He writes about tradition, religion, family values, and how they interact with modern life in NCR. Luwalhati Bautista. Our second author is Luwalhati Bautista, known for her strong feminist writing and political themes. Her well-known novels are Dekada 70, Bata Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa, Gapo, Reflection of NCR. Her stories show the real struggles of Filipino families in the Metro Manila, especially during martial law. She tackled issues like government oppression, women's rights, poverty, activism, and through her writing, we see the everyday life and social problem of people living in NCR.
Indatay Casper, sinilang noong 1931 sa Malabon, Rizal. Mga sikat na akda ay The Peninsulars, tungkol sa buhay ng Maynila noong 18th century. Three Corners Sun, 1974, tungkol sa Philippines Devolution. Awaiting Trespass, tungkol sa pananakop ng Amerikano sa Pilipinas. Rilo F. Bautista, nanganak noong July 9, 1941 sa Maynila. Siya ay pambansang alagad ng sining noong 2014. Ay noong May 6, 2018. Nilibing sa libingan ng mga bayani. Mga sikat na akda ay Eulogy of Saint Lazarus 2001, all sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Sugat ng Salita 1985. Kirot ng Kataga 1995, tungkol sa mga problema ng lipunan.
Ricky Lee, a multi-awarded storyteller and screenwriter. His notable works include Para Kay B, screenplays like Himala, Anak, and Moral. Reflections of NCR. Ricky Lee writes about the real-life struggles of ordinary Filipinos, especially those living in big cities like Metro Manila. He highlights themes such as love in relationships, poverty, dreams and failures, social pressure, and survival. Through his writing, NCR is portrayed as a place full of challenge but also hope. Sionil Jose is another national artist. He is famous for addressing social injustice and class struggles. His major works include Ermita, Gagamba, and his epic series, The Rosales Saga. Reflection of NCR. Most of his stories are set in Manila districts such as Ermita. He shows the huge gap between the rich and the poor, corruption, and how people fight for a better life in the capital.